Hello everyone, happy Mother's Day to all the lovely moms in the world. So today I'll show you how to do gold facial at home. My mom will be very happy if she will come to know that I am not going to outside, I'm saving some money, I'm doing all these things by staying at home itself. And trust me, it adds natural color to your face because we'll be using turmeric. Try to use that kasturi turmeric. I have taken the stick, or if you're not getting the stick, you can just add that kasturi turmeric also. I'll share the link in descriptions. And sandalwood powder, we will use curd, we will use raw milk, we will use everything will be homemade and natural. And toner we will use aloe vera gel, we will use what else, yeah, that's it. So let's start the video. I have already done the facial, then I'm shooting this, so you can see my face. I forgot to shoot before the facial, but it is glowing now, definitely. That girl is there for whom I am going to give the facial massage. So just wait for 2 minutes, no? Just share this with my friends. It is glowing or not. I have already applied the facial, by the way, and they will tell you it is glowing or not.
It's really glowing. Even I have got a facial. But my skin is really glowing.
So as I told, it actually glows. So let's not waste the time. We'll start the video now. And if you're liking the channel, please like, share and subscribe so that I will share more nice videos with you. First we'll start with cleaning our face. Here I have prepared cleanser. Some raw milk I have taken, 2 tablespoons, and a pinch of haldi, turmeric I have added. Just clean your face nicely. Taken my bath, after that only I am doing. Remember, whenever you are doing any facials, you have to do it after your bath. And since I am using turmeric in this facial, so do not go outside after doing this. Or else if you want, you can do it in evening also, evening time or night time before sleeping. Anything is fine. Just make sure that you shouldn't go out after applying this. This is done now. We'll go to the next process, that is scrubbing. So for scrubbing, I have taken 2 tablespoons of rice flour and little honey, equal amount of honey. The consistency should be like this. And 1 piece of tomato. I'll scrub my face like this. I'll show you. I have taken little more because I am making it for 2 people. I will be doing the facial for 2 people. She's sitting over there. Say hi.
Hi.
She is Varsha, the one who has inspired me to make pizza. She is lovely. She is my room owner's daughter, by the way. She is in 7th standard, right?
9th.
Oh, 9th. Oh God, she doesn't look like. Okay, we'll start the process. So do it for 2 minutes. Tomato cleans your face very nicely. Here my hairs are open because I have just washed my hair, but whenever you are doing facial, just tie it properly. Are already over. We'll go to the next part now. So now I have cleaned my face after the scrubbing process, and I have just dried it with the help of this towel. Today I'll not take steam, but before this process, if you want, in the tomato facial I have shown already how to take steam, how to remove the blackheads and whiteheads. You can do that. Today I don't have time to do that, that's why I'm not doing. So we'll go to the next process, that is massaging cream. We'll massage it nicely. This is a very relaxing process. So here I have taken 2 tablespoons of curd, a pinch of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. I'll just massage it now. I will massage it for 10 to 15 minutes. I'll apply it on my neck as well. For this massage, I'll talk to you. So after doing it for 10 minutes, it will completely dissolve into your skin. After that, you can wash this and we'll go to the next process, that is mask. You can see it is completely dissolved now. Now I'm going to wash this. Now we'll go to the masking part. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder. That I peeled the orange and I mixed it and I prepared. If you want, you can use the ready-made also. I'll share the link in description box. And 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder, that is also real handmade sandalwood powder. A little pinch of turmeric. Then raw milk I have used here. So we'll apply this mask and we'll keep it for minimum 15 minutes. The consistency should be like this. And yes, I have added maybe half tablespoon of rose water to it. If you want, you can skip. And if you don't have sandalwood powder, then you can use multani mitti also. But I don't feel multani mitti to use on my skin. That's why I'm using this sandalwood powder. Here bro is there. He will keep on teasing me for this facial videos and all. You can see how I have applied. So now 15 minutes are already over. You can see more than 15 minutes I kept. It's fully dried. I'll just clean it with cold water and I'll talk to you after that. So I have washed my face. I'll dry this. After that I'll apply toner and moisturizer. These are 2 important parts whenever we do facial. Do not forget that. For toner, you can use that Good Vibe Green Tea Toner that I love actually applying on my face. Currently it is not there with me, but I have ordered. I'm using this rose water, just spray it like this. Just keep keep it for 1 minute, it will dry. After that I'll just use aloe vera gel. You can use moisturizer, do not apply any cream, that's very, I'll use the gel only. Trust me, it will add shine to your face. You will feel that softness on your face and it will be glowing definitely more than before. Just massage it nicely for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we are done. You can see my face. I'll just go to outside and I'll show you my face. You can see my face. The introduction also I have a shoot after the facial. So actually my skin is glowing and it's softer more than before. So I love the facial. That's all for today, guys. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye, love you all. And do not forget to subscribe my channel.
तेरी उंगली पकड़ के चला, ममता के आंचल में पला।